Hey guys, my name is Jamela. Welcome back again to another episode of Living the Lifestyle of the Thrifting Famous. Here is where I inspire you to thrift your house into a home. And if you're new here, how about go ahead and click that subscribe button and welcome to the family. And to my current family members, I can't thank you enough for hanging in there with me. This video, we're going back to the basics, and it's kitchen items. I can't tell you enough how you should be out there thrifting these items for your kitchen. A marble Lazy Susie for $2, this candy dish for $1, which I use as my lemon holder, and this 18-count egg holder was just $1. And just a note, I think by me using that glass dish as my pre-cut lemon holder, the lemons last longer than they did when they were in plastic containers. And having an everyday butter dish for only 50 cents, you can't beat that. And remember, at the yard sale, I grabbed this Pyrex Cobalt Blue casserole dish for just $5. This vintage Pyrex mid-century casserole dishes really was a great find for $2, and I used this faithfully. The best thing about using Pyrex dishes is that it cleans up very, very well. I mean, all you have to do, if you have something burnt on, just soak it in some hot sudsy water overnight, and it comes clean again. You may have to do a little scouring with a steel wool, but trust me, the item is going to come clean. These are several vintage items that I purchased over the years, and everything was roughly $5 or less. When I go to any kind of estate sales, I always look for the Pyrex bakeware, and I love the covered dishes because I'm starting now to not use foil as much because I hear aluminum foil isn't so healthy. But you know, being able to just bake my goods in a glass covered dish, I just feel like I'm doing something a little bit more healthy and saving the environment as well. Now, a lot of these are gaining in popularity as collector's items, but I don't buy them to collect and resell. I buy them so I could use them. I bought them for my children when they were getting their places so they can have good dishware to use, because baking in foil and constantly buying aluminum pans and stuff to bake in, it's a waste of money, and it's a waste of, like I said, natural resources. So just to have these around it's good to have when you're cooking. And I really like having these split dishes, so if I had 2 items to heat up, I can just use one of those dishes and something can go on each side. Now, the vintage ones are made of real borosilicate glass, and it's heavier and less breakable, whereas the new items are made in China, and they have this soda lime glass, which is very, very weak. And determine the old ones, they have the capital P, and the newer brand has the small letters. So that's how you could tell whether or not you're getting vintage or the new stuff that's made in China. And it's cheap. And I looked up and found a piece made in France, which is very, very good. And that's a nice heavy piece. So keep in mind, when you're buying Pyrex off of Amazon or Walmart, the newer stuff, it is not the original made in USA Pyrex. So hit those thrift stores and estate sales for authentic vintage bakeware, and you'll be helping out the environment. After all, just remember, beauty is being home and loving it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, drop me a comment. Don't forget to like and share, and I'll see you again. Thank you. Bye-bye.